Happy weekend, fashionistas. Trust you are doing very fine. Hope you had a lovely working week as anticipated. Allow us again to be part of your weekend with this best of African fashion. In no particular order, as those styles are rolling by your screen, I've come through again for you with another set of lovely, beautiful, gorgeous, mind blowing, captivating, fascinating, thrilling, and fantastic best of African print works for your delight. These styles are meant to inspire your desired look on a typical weekend, and the styles are for every woman, regardless of your body type or preference of styles. We've got you covered in this very video. I know some of you love your gown to be long, some of you want it to be midi, some of you love skirt and blouse, some of you love wrap dresses, some of you love blouse on sneakers, blouse on jeans, and so on. We'll make this video an all-encompassing one to meet your demand. Just sit back, relax, and go through this video from the beginning to the end. And most definitely, you will find something that you will love. You will find something that will give you that style inspiration from this very video. All props and credits in this video goes to those highly creative, highly resourceful, highly talented fashion designers who come up with all these terrific concepts in terms of best of African fashion, and avail us the opportunity to showcase them to the rest of the world. Big up to them. Uh, there is a place on our dashboard that indicates join. I want to believe many of you have tried clicking that. We urge you to do that. The essence of that is that will move you into exclusive members of this platform, and when you join, you will have the opportunity of seeing any video we are bringing firsthand before everyone else. You will have seen it long before every other person does. So endeavor to click that place, join, be part of elite group, elite member of this platform for you to have an exclusive content for your delights alone. Enjoy this masterpiece. Leave your thoughts below in the comment section. Give this video a thumbs up if you find the styles in it interesting. Subscribe if you have not done that, and put on your post notification for you to always get notified anytime we drop a video like this on this platform. And don't forget to leave your thoughts below in the comment section, and also share this video as well as every other videos on this platform for also even to spread the trend of African resistance styles across the world. My name is BJ, a fashion enthusiast and a promoter of African print designs, and also an ambassador of African fashion. Wishing you a lovely weekend. I will see you at the end of the video. Thank you. Hope you enjoy what we've brought to you today. If you do, give this video a thumbs up and help us to share this video with family and friends for us to even spread the trend across the globe. And don't forget to leave your thoughts below in the comment section. My name is BJ. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.